Hello and welcome back to Design Republic. We are going to learn how to change line weight and in case if they are not displaying or not showing off, how to solve that issue. So let's start by selecting our first line. In the Home tab, we go all the way to Properties. And here you find this icon with four lines displayed in different line weight. And as you see, it already gives us an indication that this is line weight. So we click on it, and for our first line, I want to go with 0.3 millimeter. Let's select our second line. Again, in the Home tab menu, default. It's set to default, but I want this line to be displayed in 0.6 millimeters. And escape. For the third line, again, I want it to be 1 millimeter. And as you may notice, nothing is showing. The line weight is not displaying. To solve that issue, we go all the way down and find this icon here. Show hide line weight. So in some AutoCAD versions, this icon is not visible. So to make it appear, we go all the way to the bottom right, and here in the customization tab, we click on it and we find line weight. Make sure you have the line weight checked. Okay, see, it disappears. Click on it again, it comes back. When clicking on it, you see it's highlighted with a light blue color. Now we have our line weights displayed. And if I select a line and again I try to give it a line weight 2 millimeters for this instant, we see that we get our desired result and our lines start to display thickness. Thank you very much. If you learned today something, please consider supporting us by subscribing and liking our videos. Hit the notification button and see you soon. Thank you.